In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zero out your App Store balance in just a few simple steps. This is particularly useful if you're looking to change your country settings or perhaps even close your account, but you find yourself stuck because of a lingering balance. Let's dive into exactly how you can efficiently get that balance to zero. The first method to consider is purchasing an item that matches the exact amount of your remaining balance. This could be an app, a game, or even media content like music or movies available on the App Store. By ensuring the cost of this item is equal to what you currently have in your balance, you'll effectively use up every last cent. It's a straightforward approach, and you even get something in return that you can enjoy. However, finding an item that matches your exact balance might be a bit tricky, so take your time browsing the options available to you. Alternatively, if you find it difficult to locate an item that precisely matches your balance, or if you just prefer speaking to a real person, you can contact Apple support directly. Apple's customer support is usually quite accommodating and can assist you with having your balance removed. Just explain your situation and they'll guide you through the necessary steps to clear your balance. This option might take a little longer than purchasing an item, but it's effective if you're unable or unwilling to locate a suitable purchase on your own. Moving on, another solution is to use any leftover balance toward a purchase that costs more than the amount you have. In this case, you simply need to add another payment method to cover the excess cost. This means if your balance is, say, $2, but the item you want to buy is $5, you'll be using up that $2 balance and paying the additional $3 with your added payment method. This way, you use your balance and you can get something you perhaps even needed or desired. Finally, once your balance is successfully zeroed, you're then free to make those account changes you've been planning, like switching your country settings or closing your account altogether. It's important to zero out your balance because, due to Apple's policies, these specific actions can only be completed if your balance is at zero. Being mindful of these simple steps ensures a smooth transition if you're relocating or closing up your services for any reason. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to zeroing your App Store balance. Whether you opt for making a precise purchase, rely on Apple support, or apply your balance towards a larger purchase, you now have a clearer understanding of how to get your balance to zero. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides like this one.